We're in St George's Market today in Belfast. It's one of the biggest and the best in the UK and Ireland with over 200 stalls, and it's a fantastic place to buy fish. Liam, you said you wanted to talk about the word cod today, so I thought this was a very apt location.
Very appropriate for the fish cod, but the Ulster-Scots cod is to carry on, to prank, to joke.
You've reminded me of a great word from my childhood. My granny and granny would have used it, codology.
My granny would have said to me if I was joking about or pranking about, Quet Yer Aul Codology.
And I'd say you're still a bit of an owl cod today, even still.
I might be a bit of a cod, Jane, but less of the owl.
Well, cod, young or owl, I fancy a bit of this cod for my tea tonight.
And do you think that looks appetising enough for you?
Well, I'd say with a bit of batter and a few chips, it's going to be absolutely delicious. Anyway, enough of our codding around for today.